how to save items to shopping list on Amazon. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can save items on Amazon. Firstly, open App Store or Play Store on your device and search for Amazon app. If you haven't already, then install the application. After installing, check for any updates that may be available. Now go back to your home page and open the Amazon app. In Amazon, make sure you are logged in to your account. After logging in, you will land to a page like this. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna tap on an item. After selecting the item, you will see a page like this. Now again, I'm just gonna select some parts. After you have found the product that you want to save, click on it to open it. To save your picture, you can simply tap on the love icon. This will be at the bottom right corner of the photo. After you have saved the item, then it will be easier for you the next time you wanna find it. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.